Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Diamond Art Club unboxing. So I got this a couple days ago, but been waiting for a day off from work, and my stepson is coming over today and he makes tons of noise. So Julio went with a friend to pick him up, so while he is out running errands and stuff, I'm gonna do this real quick. So we have a little sticker. Okay, you know I always look at the washi tape and the cover minder. So here's the washi. Sorry for the glare, you guys. And another rose. We have another rose. I just keep getting roses, you guys. I was finally able to move my entire tote bag of drills and bagged up toolkits to the basement, thank God. Couldn't keep it up here because Miss Buster Brown Ferret kept stealing my drills. And she would chew on the outer part of the bag, and then the drills would just burst all over the place. So she can't be around drills. So I went with a different artist this time. I thought this painting was rather cute. This person has a lot of oh, this is perforated. This is a perforated cover sheet. Oh well, I'm still gonna use release papers. I normally don't go for this person's artwork, but this one, I don't know, called to me. So from top to bottom, here we go. It's kind of like a steampunk type of deal. So this is a 56 by 56, a perfect square. Isn't she cute? With her little top hat and her little owl with the top hat and his little glasses. Oh, so entirely stinking cute. So 38 colors in this. Not bad, not bad. And only one AB. Might be a purple AB. Number 1. Where are they? So the ABs are going to go in the whites of her eyes. So that's going to be interesting. And the ABs are also going to go in this white of the frames of his little spyglass. And the white of the cord right here. So I'm assuming this is going to be a white AB. Doesn't look like it's anywhere else. Maybe in the highlight of her hat right here. And that is just about it. So it's just a little bit of an accent. A little bit in here where her little eyeglass piece is. And that's it. Yes, and you did hear me correctly. This canvas is the new perforated canvas where it has you can cut it out for, I think it's 4x4 squares. But I don't really pay attention much to the new cover sheet because I just take the whole cover sheet off and put release papers down. So, yep. But yeah, this artist has quite a few pieces, and they're very pretty pieces. But I don't know why I don't go for them. But this one just called to me. I don't know. Here are the colors. Some purple, some burgundy, wine colors, blues, white, a bunch of 310. We have 3 bags of 310. Oh no, 6 bags of 310, excuse me. And I can see it in here, this white over here, this is white AB. So I was correct about that as white AB. And then we have some neutral colors, some tans, some beiges, some browns, mauves. Really nice. And you already know what I'm going to do. I know this probably irks some people's soul. But I use the little sticker to label my drills in case you didn't know. And I use the big sticker. If you don't know, I'm talking about big sticker. This one. I'm going to use these because it has the start and end date above it. I'm going to use this for my logbook. And here are sticker labels. Very nice. Oh, here, you want to see the picture up close? Sorry, there's like a dark shadow. I don't have all this overhead lighting today. Cute. Really, really cute. And, oh, God, I forgot this was exposed. And, of course, our booklet with instructions, discount code, how to join the VIP group on Facebook. Yeah. So that's it, my friends. Really quick unboxing. I only have one. I kind of, I won't say I took a break or a no buy. I don't want to say no buy because there's never going to be a time that I don't buy. But my grandmother wanted me to kind of take it easy with extracurricular spending. Now, just because I haven't been buying diamond paintings doesn't mean I'm not buying craft supplies, because I'm still buying yarn. But all the yarn has been clearanced and on sale, and coupons and reward vouchers and stuff like that. So I've been getting everything on sale. So I haven't really been buying any canvases. It's okay. I have more than enough to last me for a little while. I am holding out for one piece that they were talking about in the Facebook group, Rosea by Camilla D'Erico. It's an all pink, pretty much canvas with a little girl and animals, like the rest of them that she makes. It's all girls and animals. I've been holding out for that one in my wish list for quite some time. It's out of stock. And Diamond Art Club said that they might restock it in February sometime. So I've been holding out for that particular canvas. Once I have that canvas, I need one more canvas, and I have all Camilla's pieces from Diamond Art Club. I'm all caught up. So, yeah. I mean, there's plenty of other stuff in my wish list, but a lot of stuff in my wish list is sold out and out of stock. So not much buying recently, but oh, and this I didn't tell you the name of this canvas. It's called Jules and Vern by Micah Jelena. I think that's her name. Yes, she's got plenty other if you like this type of artwork, if you like these girls with the pale faces, she's got a couple canvases on Diamond Art Club. They're really pretty. Just, I don't know why I don't go for them, but this one I just really liked. Maybe it was the cute little owl. I love owls. So, and I love steampunk. I love steampunk themed stuff. So here's one more look at the canvas. Really pretty. And there is quite a bit of confetti. Color blocking in the background. Maybe some in her hat, her face. The owl is pretty much all confetti. Her wings, her shirt, her hair. Yeah, it's all confetti. It's all confetti. Oh my God. But who knows? I don't know when I'm going to work on this one yet. There's my next canvas after I finish the canvas I am making for a friend. I'm probably going to work on Dreamer Designs next. Because I haven't tried their I have like 4 of their canvases now, and I haven't worked on any of them yet. So probably a Dreamer's Designs would be next to work on in line. So this one's gonna have to wait, but I have her. Really, really excited. I think she's really, really pretty. And it's not too big. It's a nice perfect square. Fits mostly on my desk. I'm not gonna have to do too much manhandling or maneuvering with the canvas when I'm working on her. So anyways, if you guys are enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. If you're returning, thank you for returning and continuing to support my channel. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.